Hello dear friend, welcome to our channel. In this class we want to solve this question 139, 7 to the power 2 to the power y is equal to 2 to the power 7 to the power y. Now we want to find the value of y. Dear students, if you like our channel, please thumbs up and subscribe our channel and share with your friend. Here we want to find the value of y. First we take log from both sides. Log 7 to the power y is equal to log 2 to the power 7 to the power y. Now we can write 2 to the power y into log 7 is equal to 7 to the power y into log 2. Divided both sides by 7 to the power y into log 7, we get 2 to the power y over 7 to the power y is equal to log 2 over log 7. Log 7. Here we can write 2 over 7 whole to the power y is equal to log 2 over log 7. Again we take log from both sides. Log 2 over 7 whole to the power y is equal to log 2 over log 7. Now we can write y into log 2 over 7 is equal to log 2 over log 7. Now y into log 2 minus log 7 is equal to log 2 minus log 7 according to the law of logarithm. Now we want to multiply both sides by the coefficient of y. Coefficient y is equal to coefficient of y is log 2 minus log 7. Then y is equal to log 2 minus log 7 over log 2 minus log 7. By using calculator, y approximately is equal to 0.8239. It is the value of y. Thank you.